G'day Curd Nerds, welcome to another Cheese a Day Challenge, day 17. And this cheese is a cheddar, and it's by the Snowdonia Cheese Company in Wales. Wales? Let's have a look. Yeah, mate, in Wales. It's called Black Bomber. It's an extra mature cheddar. It's packaged in, well, vac packing, but it's got a wax rind. So extra mature cheddar cheese, ingredients: pasteurised cow's milk, bacterial culture, salt, vegetable rennet, contains milk. It says total fat 34.1 grams per 100, so that's about 34.1%. Made in, it's made by snowdoniacheeseco.uk. Total weight of the cheese is 150 grams. Come on. I just got this from our local supermarket. Right, I'm going to cut it again. Here I was thinking I'd get away with it. There we go. You know, a little bit of moisture in the bag. I don't think that's anything to be worried about. Just looks a little bit sweaty. Oh, it's very nice. Nice sweat. Cheese sweat. Oh, all right. So this small wedge cost me $8.50 Australian, which is pretty good for a aged cheese. Let me just take the rind off. Sorry, the wax. Usually black wax symbolises that it's a mature cheese. There's the wedge there, nice clean sort of wedge. Let's cut a piece, shall we? Cuts well, a little bit crumbly, as you would expect. It's got a lovely aroma, don't get me wrong, but it doesn't smell sharp or anything like that. Oh, it's very smooth. Strong umami flavour. Oh, that is strong. That is a very nice aged cheese. That's delicious. Not as good as the West Country Farmhouse cheddar, but it's up there. It's getting there, that's for sure. It's got a nice flavour to it. I like the creamy flavour, the creaminess. What am I looking for? Strong, umami, brothy. What are the flavours? That's about it, really. It's just it's just a strong cow's milk cheddar with beautiful all-round texture. It's not crumbly. It's been at room temperature for about an hour, 45 minutes, and it you can squish it in your fingers. But that is lovely. That's a good cheese. Because it's so smooth and creamy, what does it taste like on a cracker? So I'll just cut a bit off. Oh, it gets crumblier towards the middle. Does the cracker add anything to this cheddar? Well, a little bit. A little bit more texture, but really the flavour stands out by itself. Not an AOC cheddar, but very nice. Very nice. Well, at least it comes from the same country. I like that. That would be fantastic in a cheese toastie or grilled cheese sandwich. Robust flavours, beautiful aged cheddar. Not so strong that it blows your head off. I can't really Those sorts of cheddars are really in a category of their own, really, really strong, long aged. This is, what do they say it is? Extra mature. So it's not like strong and bitey or anything like that. It's just got a lovely flavour. Well matured cheese. Coats the whole mouth. Beautiful flavour. Something you only get with age. You know, you can't fake a matured cheese. A cheddar anyway. You can try, but it ages everything. The way it breaks down, the way the proteins break down into smaller chains, the way the fats break down into smaller chains from their original form, just create these amazing flavours. It's just a beautiful, extra mature cheese. So yeah, if you can find this one, it's called Black Bomber by Snowdonia Cheese Company. Nice cheese, 150 grams. Set you back $8. So that was day 17. Day 18 tomorrow is a very special and very well-known cheese throughout the world, and that is Parmigiano Reggiano, the PDO version, or DOP in Italian. So yeah, let's join me tomorrow for some real Parmigiano Reggiano. Well, if you liked this style of cheese, cheddar, then I've done a cloth-bound cheddar. You can check out the video in the end card or in the info card. So thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.